Valley.
Hi, look at that. Whoa.
Hello, Missy. Look at that. We can fully appreciate Miss Carla Gavalisa's gown.
Looking immaculate
Hello.
as ever. Looking so divine.
Here.
Please take center stage.
Here.
Okay, looking at all the details, grabe.
Let's give her
Such a stunner.
herself on center stage. Again, a big warm round of applause. Our Hall of Fame awardee, Heart Evangelista Escudero. Thank you, Missy.
Thank you very much. Look at that moment. Really, this look deserves all the moments it can get from tonight. Moving forward, congratulations! Ayan na! Okay, look at that. Very subtle but so elegant. I'm
All
loving
the time.
gold black and gold. And syempre with the dimples, diba? Diba talaga? Ayan na. Matchy with the trophy. Parang meant to be, diba? Diba? Parang ano? Parang Terry yung trophy sa outfit. Parang nagyala kasi kapag ito si trophy na accept natin.
It's Dolce & Gabbana meets Schiaparelli with a Schiaparelli. Dolce and Dolce. Thank you, Mr. Alden Richards. Give a big warm round of applause. Next Hall of Fame awardee is none other than the guy who joined us at the start of the program, Mr. Ding Dong Dantes.
Congratulations! Please join us, Mr. Ding Dong Dantes. Iba talaga ang forma, ha?
The classic talaga, it's a classic kind of guy.
You want to mention your look for tonight? Check nyo na lang yung caption. Suppose. Smile.
Congratulations, Doc.
Congratulations! Loving it. Yes. And of course,
Last but not the
last
least,
but not the least, Marian Rivera!
Hall of Fame awardee, of course, goes without saying.
Looking so elegant, always.
And forever.
I know. Grabe, so angelic. Whatever she wears, parang may glow lagi. Ayun na.
May spotlight.
Nakita mo yung glow?
May spotlight is goes on eh, oh.
Oo, born with the glow.
Yes. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Again, a big warm round of applause for our Hall of Fame awardee, Miss Marian Rivera Dantes.
Always so beautiful and stunning. Thank you so much for gracing us with your beauty and your impactful red carpet looks to our Hall of Famers.
And we have one more actually, another Hall of Fame red carpet awardee, because when she walks into a room, everybody sits up and takes notice.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, our last Hall of Fame awardee, Miss Bea Alonso.
Yes, Miss Bea Alonso.
In immaculate white, dressed by Christine. Am I right? It's offered by Alaya. Was it Dean Alaya?
Hello, Bea. So good to see you. Look at that.
Wow.
Diba? Everything is so perfect. Ano nga ba? Dinala lang siya. Dinala lang
It's
siya.
honored by our friend, Grace George.
Okay, so beautiful.
Wow,
Bea.
look at that.
I love every detail. Oh. Look at that. Okay, smile.
Kaya mo yan, mama.
big warm round of Kapuso applause for Bea Alonso. Ladies and gentlemen, look at her.